It's Matt with Matthew Cycle. Thanks for tuning in. Quick video of our bike sitting at lunch. This is my dad's BMW K1200 LT 2009. Some folks just came out of the ice cream shop, taking a good look at it. This lady is a toucher, so she wants to touch and feel. Squish the seat a little bit there. Telling a story about biking to her friends, and she's got a little bit to say, leaning into the bike there a little bit. Husband walks over to her, and then he glances over at the dash here. And as he glances at the dash, he sees the camera, reaches out to her. Honey, back away from the bike. Oh, okay, I'm sorry. Lets her know about the camera. Oh, she sees it and waves, gives the okay, which I take as acknowledgement that they understand they're on camera, which is one of the reasons I put this video out there. They didn't go away quickly afterwards. They knew that it was likely they were being recorded, and they continued to have their conversation. Good for them. So, every motorcyclist likes to talk to people about their bikes. They don't mind people admiring their bikes or checking them out. It's par for the course. Goes with the territory. But as a general rule, try not to touch other people's property. Don't typically walk up and touch other people's cars. Really should not touch their motorcycles either. But I understand this lady's telling a story and she's admiring the motorcycle, and I'm not upset with her in any way. It's just entertaining, really, which is why I'm putting it out there. And of course, the other reason I'm putting the video out there is I'm learning. So this is fun to edit in Adobe Premiere and add some additional audio to it. So they're heading away now, and it got picked up by my dash cam. Came into my field of view here, and they will go out and do some shopping here with their friends for a little while. Turns out they're gone, about 15 minutes or so, and of course I watched all my footage, so even though I watched it at high speed, I did see the pink pop back in, and as she comes into the frame here, nice lady, walks around the garbage can and through the car area and curb, makes her way back to my bike, and this actually was my favorite part. This is the first thing I ended up seeing, and then I caught more of the footage later. A little bit of rubbing the paint on my pannier there. Just identifying, I think, that it was black.
He's got a camera in the back.
Husband pops over and says, hey, he's got a camera here on the back. And let's not touch. So she does step away here, and it's entertaining. So one of the reasons I put this video out there, just because I'm practicing, so understanding the different angles, synchronizing the videos, learning how to add a voiceover audio. Just part of this process. I'm very, very new to video. I've only owned cameras for a little while and used them about a half a dozen times. So learning the processes a little bit, trying to get used to what it takes to make this type of stuff. So shout out and hello to those folks. They were very nice. They gave us a wave and were maybe unwitting volunteers of one of my very first video edits. Hope you guys enjoyed. I will continue to put more content out there. There's a lot of YouTubers that I enjoy watching, so I just decided to jump in the fray and start making some of my own videos. Thanks again for watching. This is Matt with Matthew Cycle. Don't forget to subscribe so you can get updates on my new content. Thanks.